Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Today's video is the last episode of a quarantine facelift, and today we're going to focus on the hand and the lips. If you have not seen the previous two episodes, I'm going to put a link below, and I think after you practice these three different area of your skin, your eyes and your hand, your lips, you definitely go out to face the world. That as the world slowly open up, and you want to make sure you go out there look the best that you can. So I really hope that you like this three mini series, and definitely the comment below, and that means a lot to me. And by the way, I see some of you left a really amazing nice comment, and that really made my day. So I want to say thank you so much, and I will definitely highlight some of those comments on my YouTube, on my Instagram story, or some of the posts too. If you have not followed my Instagram, check out my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jan. That account is all about skincare and beauty. Mr. Jan One is all about fashion, luxury, and travel. And of course, subscribe my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and share the video. Alright, let's get started. Today's episode is gonna be a little DIY. First, we're gonna start treatment on your hand, and I know that you can spend money buying different body scrub or hand scrub, but I feel like during this quarantine time, most of us stay home safe, and there's really no reason to spend money but to buy product that you couldn't make it from your home. So I'm using some of my ingredients in my house, and I'm gonna make my own hand scrub, and the scrub can be used on your foot as well too. And before I show you what I'm going to do here, I want to let you know there's so many different type of variations out there. I really feel like once you know exactly what you want, putting the right ingredient is really your personal preference. There's no right or wrong about that. Just want to share that with you. Okay, so we got clear. So basically you're going to need, hold on, 5 ingredients that I guarantee everyone should have it in the house. I'm hoping you do, but you should. And if you don't, you can substitute, figure it out. There's something similar texture, you'll be fine. And then you're also gonna need the little plastic disposal glove. If you don't have a disposal glove, you can use what is that thing called? My goodness, my English is so bad. The ceramic wrap that you can wrap around that too. But anyway, so let me show you the item that you need. Okay, first you need coffee ground, or ground coffee. Some people use the coffee ground that being, my goodness, some people use the used coffee ground, but I personally like to use the fresh one in there because I feel like fresh one is more potent. There's more active ingredient in there. It can do better for your skin. Then you're gonna need, oh, by the way, this is a 2 cup of a grounded coffee. Okay, gotta remember that. And then I'm using 1 cup of honey, organic honey. Organic honey is probably better than the processed honey because this is more enzyme in there. Then I also have salts, and that's also 1 cup. You can use sea salt, you can use sugar, whatever that you have, as long as something is more harder surface. But I like the fineness of the salt because if you use the salt that it's not refined, they could cut your skin a little bit, and so you have to be careful with that. Then of course I have olive oil, 1 cup too. Then there's one thing, this is my secret ingredient. Oh no! It's the vinaigrette, the rice vinaigrette. Just use about 1/2 cup of this. Now we're gonna pour everything in here and to make this work. Okay, let's do a little DIY right now. This is so fun and exciting, right? So here's a coffee ground, and then it doesn't matter what order you do it, just put it in there, you'll be fine. So first I'm gonna put, let's see, I'm gonna put the salt in here. See that? Put the salt. Yes. So the reason why I use salt is because I want to give an extra exfoliate benefits. So that's why I'm using salt. And as far as amounts, you figured out what is the right amount for you. There's no right or wrong. Then I'm going to put the honey in here. Again, honey adds a more moisturizing benefits and barrier on the skin. So it kind of moisturizes the skin in the same time. Then I'm going to put olive oil, 1 cup in here. I feel like I'm baking a cake right now. And like I said, I have a secret weapon here. This is the rice vinaigrette. So I'm going to put it in here for additional exfoliating property in there. So you will look somewhat like this. Now you just need to mix them together. Just like that. Let me smell this. Oh my god, it actually smells really wonderful. I don't know why I sound surprised. I've done this many times. So once you do that, you don't need water or anything like that. Everything should be just nicely blended in together. Okay. Must blend it really well. Make sure all the ingredients mix together. That's what you need to do. Okay. And honestly, I wouldn't use this on your face. If you want to use it on your foot, on your feet, or on your body, it is okay too. I've done it before, but it's just kind of messy in the shower a little bit. So normally I do it on my hands only. All right, so now I mixed this already, right? Now I want to show you my hands. So this is my hand. I think I'm going to do it this hand first, just on this hand only. And the trick is, you gotta have a disposable glove because this way it doesn't get messy anywhere and it's like going crazy. Okay, so the way you can do it to be more easier is you can go ahead, just pour this in the glove like that, because I really don't like messy. I'm a little bit OCD. And by the way, the amount I'm doing, it's quite a bit. So if you don't want to, I don't recommend you make one and keep it used for a long time. You're supposed to just one time use. So maybe reduce the amount to the half. And I do more is because for social media, especially for YouTube, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I need a little bit more. Okay. So you want to make sure that each finger has the coffee ground in there. Okay. That's good enough. So now you have a little glove that you create to exfoliate your hands. This, it's really funny, guys. When you massage this in there, it feels really weird texture. It's like a very calming, relaxed thing to do. So basically, you just want to massage the whole thing like this. See it? Now I'm going to put my finger in there. And then you want to really make sure that you get enough on the back of the hand, because that's all we needed. So I'm going to just massage down here a little bit. Make sure that I have enough. If you don't have the glove, you can use a plastic bag. It doesn't matter. So you don't, again, the whole purpose is not for you to spend the money that you don't need to. So I hope that you appreciate that. Then I will just massage there, back my hand. Then basically you just leave this on for 5 minutes or so, and then you rinse off this water. So we're gonna check back in a few more minutes. Bye. Oops, it's dripping. Oh my god, it's dripping. Gotta be careful. Okay, so I just washed my hand, rinsed it off. This is the hand with the treatment. It's definitely smoother and softer. If you have a long nail, you gotta be careful. The coffee ground can get stuck in there. That's a little bit annoying. If you don't want to use a glove, you can just massage both hands either way you like. So this is the after treatment, before treatment. Oh, they both look pretty good, I think. Okay, then after that, you can just put on your favorite hand lotions or body lotion, doesn't matter. Okay, let's move on to the lip now. There's the two options. I think a lot of you may already have a lip scrub, but what if you don't have it? What do you do? So I would say that the salt that we have left over here and the honey. So what you do is you put your finger, dip the honey a little bit, okay, and put a little salt. Let me show you. Like that. See it? Or you can use sugar if you don't want to use the salt, because sometimes salt can burn your lip a little bit. So you gotta be very careful. So let me get closer so you can just lightly massage. Because you have honey as a barrier, so it won't be too hard. But try not to eat it because it's very salty. And I think because personally I don't mind the salt, but a lot of people may not find it weird, so probably use sugar is better for you. Around here, very gentle. You're not supposed to be like really rough because your lip is so gentle. Then you want to rinse it off with water, so I'll be right back. So once again, I use honey and salt, but I think 90% of you are probably going to use sugar and salt, so it doesn't taste salty. And also be careful, if you have a cut on your lips, the salt going to burn your skin, and you're going to absolutely hate that. So after the lip treatment that you do like this, be very gentle. You can go ahead and put on your favorite lip balm or the lip mask. And I love, this is the sample size by Laneige. It's the lip mask. And I just wear this and I go to sleep. That's what I do. So I really hope that you like today's DIY hand scrub and lip scrub, and prepare yourself to go back to the world, seriously. And leave a comment below, oh my hair. Leave a comment below, let me know how you like this video, or if you have a different recipe for DIY hand scrub or lip scrub, share with us. Like I said before, this is my personal thing. You do what's right for you, and there's no right or wrong formula. It's all about your body conditions, you know, what you have available in the house, and we'd love to hear that from you too. So once again, thank you so much for your support on my social media. That means a lot to me, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.